The town of Bolton, Massachusetts, is located at the eastern edge of Worcester County, 20 kilometers, 12.4 miles northeast of Worcester. For most of its historical existence, Bolton has been a rural community, consisting of meadows, woods, and grazing lands, dairy farms and orchards, and a diverse culture of orcharding, dairying, poultry raising, and market gardening. This house has the best of both worlds. 2 minutes from 495, yet it feels like the most private retreat. For those who cherish the unique and treasure the extraordinary, along comes this completely renovated and expansive Bolton Colonial, nestled in a serene subdivision abutting acres of conservation land. Featuring 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, this thoughtfully designed home has an artistic flair throughout and is a refreshing retreat. The custom 9-inch wide pine floors, the vaulted arch ceiling is adorned with a complete suite of professional finishes built by the builder for his family. Enjoy gathering with friends and family in the family room heated with radiant heat. There are many features like a generous walk-in pantry with rollouts and a charming breakfast area which help elevate this kitchen far above the standard fare. The open floor plan flows effortlessly to the fireside with a French slider to the rear deck, and the vaulted breakfast room provides quiet repose at the end of a long day. The master bedroom is a portrait of tranquility with its spacious added walk-in closet and its one-of-a-kind master bathroom. Indulge in this retreat with a marble tile walk-in shower, a wood-burning fireplace, and a 7-foot jacuzzi with massaging jets overlooking the lovely gardens. Heading to the second level, there are 3 bedrooms each with ample closet space, and they share one full bathroom, and the third bedroom comes with a fully updated attached bath that also has hallway access. A finished walkout lower level with 10-foot high ceilings, surround sound, and radiant floor heating adds the finishing touches to the interior, while a rear stamped concrete patio and a full outdoor kitchen, anchored by a heated pool and spa, paint the backdrop for this summer retreat. A basement wood shop is heated with a wood stove, and it's perfect for woodworking or storing all the outdoor furniture throughout the winter. The detached two-car garage is heated, with potential for finishing the upstairs for a den or an office. If you've grown tired seeing an inventory of similar cookie-cutter homes, and for additional information, be sure to contact Munezza of Munezza Realty Group and KW Realty at 508-254-5312 for a private tour of this exquisite Bolton home.